How to resize text box on Canva. So if you want to resize your text box, first of all, guys, choose an image that you would like to change the text or resize the text. And after choosing the image, you can choose the text which you want to resize. And from here you will have fourth circle, and fourth side of the text bar you can simply click on any of the circle and they can drag this up and down. If you drag this upwards, then it will enlarge large, and if you drag down loader, then you can see it shrinks. And so that's how you enlarge or resize. And after that, if you want to take one elsewhere, then you can simply click on and drag this upwards or downwards, and so that is how you can drag it. So that's, guys, I hope this video helpful, and any question, comment, like, share this video for more content.